So in redoing the home network, here's the results. Everything that was under this TV set is pretty much out, and that makes it look a bit better. There's still a DVR here. And back here, it's not terribly complicated any longer, which is good. All the complicating and mitigating factors are now moved into this room. So all the stuff that was under that TV is now behind this one in this room. I finally got it all stuffed in there. And there's a Wi-Fi again. Here's a power strip. Everything's kind of just packed in there. The TV is really close to the wall now to kind of hold the wires up in there. I put a Magicjack phone here, and the Magicjack would only work when attached right to the Wi-Fi router. I also added a few tie wraps here to kind of neaten this thing up. So when you're back here watching the TV, you don't really want to see a big mess, and now it's as simple as can be. You definitely want simple. You don't want lots of wires distracting your view from your TV. I don't think the phone over there is optimal, but it's where I could put it. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and hope this is helpful to you, and have a good day.